Dear students, now we are in the chapter quadratic expressions in mathematics 2A topic. Quadratic expressions. Today we should discuss the sums examples, solved examples before exercise 3B. Yesterday I said theorems. The concept depends upon theorems of quadratic expressions and graphs and its characteristics also we have discussed in yesterday class. Let us going to discuss about the examples depends upon the exercise 3B concept in IPE. Until yesterday, in yesterday class I said one example, page number 79, page number 17, example 1 and example 2 completed. Let us discuss examples, all examples I will discuss. Example 3, page number 80, 81, example 3. For what values of expression? For what values of x? For what values of x the expression minus 6x square plus 2x minus 3 is negative. For what values of expression is negative? You should write for negative. For negative, the expression minus 6x square plus 2x minus 3 less than 0. Multiply with minus both sides, it becomes 6x square minus 2x plus 3 greater than 0. Whenever you are multiplying with minus to both sides, the symbol will become change. Greater than becomes less than becomes greater than. 6 3s are 18. Depends upon the 6 3s are 18. Convert into factors. So there is no factor to get the middle term as 2. So better to take the value depends upon the minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Minus b means minus 2 here, plus or minus root b square means 4 minus 4 6 are 24, 3s are 81. So no need to calculate here. Here we should follow one method. Delta, you calculate delta. Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac concept. b square minus 4ac. So 4 minus 4 into 6 into 3. 4 minus 4, 6 are 24, 3 are 81. 4 minus 81 becomes minus 77 less than 0. We have proved a theorem that if coef of x square and the expression having same sign when delta less than 0, for all x belongs to R it is true. So this function is valid for all real numbers. This is true for all real numbers. Now we can write coef of if delta less than 0. If delta less than 0, comma, coef of x square, comma, expression. That is, we proved the second theorem that ax square plus bx plus c, comma, a have same sign when delta less than 0 for all x belongs to R. It is very important theorem and concept we have discussed. In the based on this theorem, you can write if delta less than 0 coef of x square. What is the coef of x square here? 6. It is positive. What is the expression? Total symbol is there greater than 0. It is positive. Like this also you can understand minus 6 is negative and this is also negative. Negative and negative are positive and positive. Delta, whenever, if delta less than 0, this is the concept here, coef of x square and expression have same sign. Expression have same sign. For all x belongs to R. So no need to calculate where the value exists or where the value does not exist, where the x belongs to lie between or does not lie between. There is no question of lie between or does not lie between, depends upon this one. Because for all x belongs to, for everywhere, for every real number, it is true. What is true? For every real number, wherever the value substitute, this is positive. Otherwise, this is negative, like that. This is IMP 2 marks sum. Because depends upon the concept. Now find the value of x for which the following have max or min. Find the value of x which the following expression have max or min. Find max or min I am writing. Example 4, the same page. Find max or min for max or min means a quadratic expression may be maximum or may be minimum, depends upon the coefficient of x square, but not both. So find the maximum or minimum for, here he is asking x square plus 5x plus 6. X square plus 5x plus 6. This is the expression x square plus 5x plus 6 given. Depends upon the coef of x square, we can conclude that whether the function is maximum or minimum. Here you can write this is of the form ax square plus bx plus c. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 5 and c is equal to 6. A greater than 0. Whenever a greater than 0, the function is minimum, because already we have discussed the proof that ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. To whether the function is min or max, we should calculate first derivative. 2ax plus b equal to 0, x is equal to minus b by 2a. We got that whenever you have substituted the value x is equal to minus b by 2a in the given expression, we got the value as 4b square minus 4ac by 4ac minus b square whole by 4a. We got the max or min value. If a greater than 0, the second derivative greater than 0, then the second derivative decides that it is minimum when a greater than 0. When a less than 0, the second derivative decides that it is maximum. So a greater than 0 here, it is minimum. Simply directly you can write a greater than 0. Whenever a greater than 0, f of x. Put here this name is f of x. Whenever a greater than 0, f of x is minimum. Whether it is absolute minimum or local minimum or anything, you can write simply minimum. F of x is minimum. Minimum yet, remember the formula, x is equal to minus b by 2a, that is minus 5 by 2, that's all. Min value, minimum value is equal to formula 4ac minus b square by 4a. 4ac minus b square by 4a. Substitute the 4ac minus b square by 4a concept. 4 into 1 into 6 minus b square means 25 by 4a means 4. 4 6 are 24. 24 minus 25 minus 1 by 4 is the minimum value here. Now he is asking, find the value of x is the following expression have. Only simply he is asking about value of x only. In next step he asked maximum or minimum value also. Let us discuss second example. Second example, 2x minus x square. We should calculate the function whether it is min or max, where the function is max or min, and decide the value of min or max. 2x minus x square plus 7 equal to 0. First of all, you can write given f of x as minus x square plus 2x plus 7. If you given first coefficient of x or coefficient constant, but you should write first coefficient of x square only, later a coefficient of x and later it is constant you should write. Now you can write here A is equal to minus 1 and B is equal to 2, C is equal to 7. So f of x is maximum because A less than 0 here. F of x is maximum yet x is equal to minus b by 2a. Since you can write otherwise because a less than 0. So yet x is equal to minus b by 2a means 2 by 2a. Simply 2 by 2a is 1. Max value formula 4ac minus b square by 4a. 4ac. So 4 into a means minus 1 minus 4 into 8 minus 28 minus b square. So minus 4 by 4a means minus 4. Minus 28 4 32. 32 by 4 gives 8. Otherwise, if you substitute 1 here, it becomes very easy. Minus 1 plus 2, 1 plus 7, 8. That is easy method. Next, sixth question, page number 81. Find the maximum and minimum value of the expression 2x minus 7 minus 5x square. 2x minus 7 minus 5x square. 2x minus 7 minus 5x square. In the similar way, you can understand f of x is equal to minus 5x square plus 2x minus 7. Right here a is equal to minus 5, b is equal to 2, c is equal to minus 7. Since a less than 0, f of x has maximum. F of x has maximum yet, maximum value yet x is equal to minus b by 2a. For everything in exercise, every sum is given homework students, you write like this. For every value, for every sum you should write the data and follow this method. X is equal to minus b by 2a, comma, that is equal to, I am writing, x is equal to minus b by 2a means here minus 2 by minus 2 into minus 5. So it is 1 by 5. Now you can write maximum value of the given expression formula 4ac minus b square by 4a. You can substitute here also, otherwise write the formula also, no problem. You will be getting in the answer in the same way. 4 into a means here minus 5, c means here minus 7, minus b square means minus 4 whole by 4a. 4 into minus 5. 4 into minus 5 into minus 7, 5 is 35, 35 4s of 140. 140 minus 4 by minus 20. You can write here minus 136 by 20. 2 table will be dividing minus 68 by 10. Fourth table minus 34 by 5. Yeah, minus 34 by 3 he got. 4 into minus 5 is right. X is equal to 1 by 5. Maybe we give a mistake. No problem. We can discuss second some students. Depends upon the same concept. Second sum 3x square plus 2x plus 11. 3x square plus 2x plus 11. A is equal to 3, that is greater than 0, B is equal to 2 and C is equal to 11. I think here delta less than 0, there is no question of min or max. For every value, okay, we can understand. A greater than 0, if he is asking about expression symbol, we can write the formula delta less than 0 concept. Here A greater than 0, therefore f of x is minimum. F of x is minimum, yet x is equal to minus b by 2a. That is equal to minus 2 by 2 into 3, that is equal to minus 1 by 3. mean value 4ac minus b square by 4a. 4ac means 4 into 3 12, 12 into 11 132, minus b square means minus 4 by 4a means 12, 132 minus 4 128 by 12. Fourth table will be dividing 32 times and 3 times. So 32 by 3 is the minimum value of the given function here. So 32 by 3 is the minimum value of the given function. Depends upon the concept of expression of quadratic expressions. Using the changes of sign we can do next sum. Page number 81, example 6. Example 6, page number 81. Find the changes of the sign for all x belongs to R and find the extreme value, both. Find the changes of sign. Find the changes of sign of the function 4x minus 5x square plus 2. 4x minus 5x square plus 2 for all x belongs to R and find extreme value given f of x I am writing. Given f of x is equal to 4x minus 5x square plus 2. Given f of x is equal to 4x square minus 4x minus 5x square plus 2. So whenever the function f of x is given, you can write this one as first of all x square coefficient minus 5x square plus 4x plus 2. Now we should calculate changes of sign. So for positive and for negative both you should write. For positive you write first of all, so it becomes minus 5x square plus 4x plus 2 greater than 0. Whenever coef of x square is negative, then you can multiply with minus both sides. You will be getting 5x square minus 4x minus 2 less than 0. 5 2s are 10, depends upon this one. Now we have no proper fractions. You can write minus b plus r minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a concept. 4 plus r minus root b square means 16. Minus b plus r is root b square minus 4ac. 4 5s are 20. 20 2s are 40, minus of minus becomes plus 40 by 10. So x is equal to, we can write this one, 4 plus r and 16 plus 40 becomes 56. 56 you can written as 4 into 14. 4 root 2, so 2 root 14 by 10 you can write, and x is equal to, in next step you can write 2 plus r minus root 14 by 5. Depends upon this concept, we can write this one in the way x minus 2 root 14 by 5. X minus 2 root 14 by 5 into x plus, first better to write plus here, x plus 2 minus root 14 by 5 and x minus of 2 minus root 14 by 5 less than 0. We know that the formula x minus alpha and x minus beta less than 0, x belongs to alpha beta. So x belongs to You can write here this is less than 0, then put open interval here 2 minus root 14 by 5 comma 2 plus root 14 by 5. So first minus you should write. Minus of 2 minus root 14 by 5 comma 2 minus root 14 by 5. That meaning is if x is positive, if the expression is positive, the x value will lie between these values minus 2 of minus of 2 minus root 14 by 5 comma 2 minus root 14 by 5. Now depends upon this concept. For negative you can write directly that x does not lie between minus of 2 minus root 14 by 5 minus of 2 minus root 14 by 5 comma 2 minus root 14 by 5. You can write that one as x less than of minus of 2 minus root 14 by 5 comma x greater than of 2 plus 2 minus root 14 by 5. X less than alpha and x greater than beta concept. Next he is asking about extreme value also. If there is no question of if, coef of what is the value here? Okay, right here if a is equal to minus 5, given as a is equal to minus 5. Whenever a is equal to minus 5, f of x has maximum, because a less than 0, then the function is maximum yet x is equal to minus b by 2a. Substitute here, it becomes minus b by 2a means minus 4 by 2 into minus 5. You can write as 2 by 5. Find the maximum value of the given function using the formula 4ac minus b square by 4a. What is 4ac here? 4 into a means minus 5 into c means 2 minus b square means 16 by 4a means minus 20. Here 4 5s are 20, 22s are 40, 40 minus 50, 16, 56. You can write minus 56 by minus 20. Get cancel. Fourth table 4 times and 5 times. Here minus and minus will be getting cancelled. Answer is the 14 by 5. Now we have entered into original quadratic expressions 4 marks concept. This chapter belonging to 6 marks weightage in IPE. So depends upon IPE weightage, 2 marks chances are there, completed already whatever 2 marks sums are there we said. Now originally we have entered into 4 marks sums. Let us discuss 4 marks sums. Example 7, most IMP question, and students, somewhere students should get confused, of course. Confused so that the none of values, yeah. Sometimes students get confused while reading the problem also. Show that none of the values, show that none of the values of the function, show that none of the values of the function x square plus 34x minus 71, x square plus 34x minus 71 by x square plus 2x minus 7 over r lies between 5 and 9. Lies between 5 and 9. Here the student should try to understand that, show that none of values of the function, whatever the function he given, over r lies between 5 and 9. This question, some students used to understand like that the value lies between 5 and 9. It is exactly wrong. None of the values, first you should read this question carefully, none of the values between over r, over real number between 5 and 9. That meaning that other than 5 and 9 there is no value. That meaning that the value lies between less than 5 and greater than 9 belonging to this function. This is most IMP. Maximum IMP sums are from this chapter. belong to this exercise only and this concept. That is why I am saying examples also. Example 7 and 8 also I will say. The process of this types of question is, let, you should write, let y is equal to, you can write y is equal to x square plus 34x. Y is equal to x square plus 34x. Y is equal to x square plus 34x minus 71 by x square plus 2x minus 7. This question you may face in MCET also. Plenty of times such types of question asked in MCET. Even though it is lengthy problem, its marks is only 1 mark in MCET. Even though you take half an hour or 1 hour or anything, you should change the time. In MCET you have to do this one in only 1 minute. So like that the speed you should understand, and you should do in 1 minute only this sum. You have to equalize for that society. Now take cross multiplication. Since this is first sum, I am saying this sum in clear way. Cross multiplication. This is the process, students. Let y is equal to that function, and taking cross multiplication, you can get here x square plus 34x. X square, y into x square plus 2x minus 7 equal to x square plus 34x minus 71. That implies we can multiply this y with x square. X square y plus 2x into y minus 7y minus this taken this side minus x square minus 34x plus 71 equal to 0. That implies now we should write this function into a quadratic manner. X square into y minus 1 plus x into, better to take 2 common, 2x into, we can write y minus 17, y minus 17 minus of 7y, whatever the function other than x square and x is there, you can take common. 7y minus of 7y minus 71 equal to 0. Otherwise you can write 71 minus 7y also. It is also better, no problem. Okay, better to write plus 71. First plus you write plus 71 minus 7y equal to 0. This is a, we can write, this is a quadratic equation. This is a quadratic equation in X. For every sum we should observe while reading the question only that this belongs to R. Over R belongs to R real number, R defined on the real number. Otherwise if X is real, like that the question arises. Whenever he is asking the question to us, that he will give the information that it is defined for real numbers. Now you can write here, if X is real or if expression is real, anything we can write. If X is real, otherwise if you write here 1, if 1 is real you can write. If X is real or 1 is real means the expression is, full expression is real valued function. If X is real, then we can understand that according to quadratic equation theory, if the function is real, then the roots of the quadratic equation are real and distinct using the concept that delta greater than or equal to 0. Then now I am writing here A is equal to y minus 1 and B is equal to 2 into y minus 17 and C is equal to 71 minus 7y. Using delta, the templates, using delta greater than or equal to 0, I am writing here b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. What is b square here? 2 into y minus 17 total whole square minus 4 into the a value is y minus 1 and c value is here 71 minus 7y greater than or equal to 0. That implies next step we can write here 4 into y minus 17 whole square minus 4 into y minus 1 into 71 minus 7y greater than or equal to 0. Now you can write divide by 4 both sides. Now you can write by expanding this one, y square minus 34y plus 289 minus multiply this one, minus 71y minus 7y square minus 71 minus of minus plus 7y greater than or equal to 0. Next step, y square minus 34y plus 289 minus, this is 71y and 7y, 71y, yes 7y, 78y minus 78y and 7y square plus 71 greater than or equal to 0. Next step we can write y square minus, this is 78 and 34, 4, 8, 12, 1, 7, 1, 8, 8, 3, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2y plus this is 289 plus 71, 289 plus 71, this is 9, 1, 10, 7, 1, 8, 8, 8, 16, 1, this is 3. 360 greater than or equal to 0. Now we should get the factors of y square minus 112y. We got y square minus 112y plus 360. There are no factors. Once again we can verify that everything is okay. We should verify the factors. 2y0 minus that y minus 1 whole square, let us verify this one. Y minus 1 into x square plus 2y0 minus 34. Yeah, it is okay. Minus 7y plus 71, it is also okay. B square minus 4ac greater than 0, exactly right. 2 taken common, this is 2y minus 34. According to option, this is exactly right, 2 taken common, and 4 into y0 minus 1 into 7y0 plus, it's okay. We did not do wrong. Let us verify b square minus 4ac concept. This is 2 square minus 4ac, 4 into a means y minus 1, and this is 71 minus 7y. Exactly we have done, but we should verify whether the factors, what are the factors, 1, 1, 2, and here he got 14y plus 45. So it is absolutely right. In the way, we should get another factors. Yeah, here we should write y square plus 7y square is 8y. Yeah, this is 8y square. Divide by 8, it is better. Yeah, divide by 8. Divide by 8 both sides. Now you can write y square minus 8 14s are 8 4s are 32, 3 8 1s are 8 3, 12 1 12. Y square minus 14y plus 45 greater than or equal to 0. You can write y square minus 5y minus 9y plus 45 greater than or equal to 0. You can write y taken common, y into y minus 5 minus 9 taken common, y minus 5 greater than 0 equal to 0. Next step you can write y minus 5 into y minus 9 greater than or equal to 0. Therefore, whenever greater than or equal to 0, you can write y does not belongs to open interval 5 comma 9. That meaning is that y lesser than or equal to 5 comma y greater than or equal to 9, or y belongs to minus infinity comma 5 closed interval union 9 closed infinity open. Therefore, y, now you can write none of the values lie between 5 and 9 other than 5 and 9, like this. none of the values of the y over r lies between 5 and 9. Y, I am writing here, y does not lie between. Y does not lie between 5 and 9. Y does not lie between 5, 9, or at last you should write none of the question, or however the question given, like that you should write none of the values, none of the function, y I am writing, none of the function y over r, none of the function y over r lies between 5 and 9, lies between 5 and 9, like this you should write. The whole question, however, whatever the time I have taken, whatever the time you have taken, try to understand this you should do in EAMCET in 1 minute. So speed steps you should do. 7 marks and 4 marks depends upon academy textbook. Plenty of times, plenty of sums they are giving in EAMCET. Only for one sum shortcut is there, for not every sum shortcut is there, depends upon range value sums. Example 8th one, page number 82. Example 8, page 82. Find the maximum value of the function. He is asking only maximum value. Find the maximum value of the function. Find the maximum value of the function x square plus 14x plus 9, x square plus 14x plus 9 by x square plus 2x plus 3, x square plus 2x plus 3 over r. While writing the question or reading the question, you should observe he used to give it is over r, real values are for all exponential, like that he will give should. Let, this is the process, let y is equal to, you can write x square plus 14x plus 9 by x square plus 2x plus 3. By 1 you put and take cross multiplication. Here I am writing x square y plus 2xy plus 3y minus x square minus 14x minus 9 equal to 0. Let us take common x square into y minus 1 plus x you take common, better to take 2 also, 2x you take common. It becomes y minus 7 plus at last 3y minus 9, otherwise 3 into y minus 3 is equal to 0, let it be 1. Since x is real, you can write since x is real, roots of 1 real or distinct, real and distinct, real and distinct. That implies use delta greater than or equal to 0 concept. Now, in EAMCET students, no need to write this one. This step you can write directly. Whenever you see the question, directly you should write this step, and next no need to write this step. Like this you should write. Delta greater than or equal to 0 apply. Now, 4 into y minus 7 whole square minus 4 into y minus 1 into 3y minus 9 greater than or equal to 0. Divide by 4, it becomes y minus 7 whole square minus of y minus 1 into 3y minus 9 greater than or equal to 0. While practicing for objective, you should write, no need to write this step, next one, this one, next one, this one. Now you can write y square minus 14y, y square minus 14y plus 49 minus 3y square minus 3y square minus 3y minus 9y becomes minus 12y plus 9 greater than or equal to 0. That implies y square minus 14y plus 49 minus 3y square plus 12y minus 9 greater than or equal to 0. That implies y square minus 3y square becomes minus 2y square. This is minus 2y. This is plus 40 greater than or equal to 0. Divide by 2, minus 2, it becomes y square plus y minus 20 lesser than or equal to 0. By minus 2 I have written. Now take the factors like this. Y square, while doing the same sum in M set, this is first step, this is second step, students. This is second step, this is third step, this is fourth step. Like that should do. Y square plus 5y minus 4y. Then automatically you can understand and you can verify the options. Whenever lesser than or equal to 0, it is lie between or open interval or closed interval belonging to. Whenever greater than 0, the value does not belong to concept. Now you can write y taken common. Y taken common becomes y plus 5 and minus 4 taken common within the brackets y plus 5 greater than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 0. Here you can write y plus 5 into y minus 4 less than or equal to 0. You can write here according to options, according to the formula x minus alpha and x minus beta lesser than or equal to 0, then x lie between alpha and beta. Then you can write y belongs to minus 5 comma 4. Therefore here minus 5 comma 4 is the range and minimum value is minus 5 and maximum value is 4. Therefore according to question, now you should write a maximum value. Maximum value of the given function is 4. No need to confuse that, sir, our 4ac minus b square 4a for this one, 4ac minus b square 4a for this one, like that you should not do. You should do depends upon this one only. If you get the answer also, it is wrong way, it is wrong process. Now we have completed example sums. Depends upon the concept, range concept and minimum maximum concept and minimum maximum values and everything. Okay students, let us going to discuss the exercise 3b in next class.